Daniel's cooking ramen. First, we boil the water. Should have opened all these first ahead of time. Give me a second.
We'll edit this out.
Oh yeah, we'll go back and like do a little snip.
Yeah.
Step one. It's always the noodles first, alright? I don't understand the people that put in the soup base first, Ryla. It's always the noodles first. Take it from the cream. That's best. Okay, get that all in there, nice and easy. Get our extra long chopsticks. Bam! Get that all in there.
They are excellent.
Yes, they are. Here.
We'll edit that out.
It was always on. It's always been on.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is a lot.
It is a lot. We're gonna need a bigger pan.
Yeah. It's okay.
It's working. It's working.
It's got it. Okay. Get that all in there. Okay. And close the lid.
There we go.
All right. No. We go get our other stuff. All right. Come here. All right. We have our green onions from the backyard.
Nice.
Chicken. Farm-raised chicken. Yeah.
Nice.
Straight from the source itself.
Yep.
Yes. Alright, we'll set that aside. Beautiful.
This is a good. I think this could become its own show. I think.
I'm only going to use a little bit, or I'm going to use maybe like 3.5, maybe 3. Because if you take out, if you lose the spiciness, it kills the flavor a little bit.
Right.
I don't know
Okay.
how well you are with spice.
You know, I'll survive.
Yeah.
I'll survive. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good.
I mean, because I think we have the same, like similar spice tolerance,
I think so. Based off what we had at the chicken place earlier.
Yeah. So,
I think so. I think we'll be all right.
I think we'll be fine. All right.
Oh,
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
All right.
lovely.
Get the noodles a little bit nice and even there. All right. Boom, bada bing. Because I'm a professional. Don't try this at home, kids. Get a nice even coat over there. It actually doesn't matter.
We'll go with it. It looks
We'll go
more
with it. It looks, yeah, it looks
aesthetic.
Yeah, aesthetic.
Yeah.
That's what we like. I think I dumped too much out of the original, but it's okay.
There's no copyright on that t-shirt as well. It's fine.
Yes, that'll be edited out too. Alright, give it a nice gentle pat.
It's smelling good.
Oh, this
Oh, if only you can smell that, Ryla.
Oh yeah. I love it. Love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, let that sit for a couple more minutes. Alright. Welcome back. We're back. Alright. Look at that. It's a nice chewy noodles that we have ready. Everything is starting to look really good. Just need a little bit more time on it, but and then during that while we wait, we got the extra seasonings. Beautiful. Alright. So let that sit. And then these are homegrown. What is that?
Edit that out. It's good.
Alright, homegrown green onions. Wow, in it goes.
Nice.
Amazing. Beautiful. Okay. Just let that stir that a little bit. And then final touch, of course, is the egg. No, I thought that would look a lot better, but
Still looks good.
Thank you. Alright, just get that in there. Alright. So we're gonna let that sit for a bit now.
Yeah. Professional. Okay.
And voila! The final product. The masterpiece itself.
And
Get screwed, Ryla. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. We love you. Maybe. Perhaps. I feel like wooden chopsticks are better. They feel better. Grab some noodles. Oh yeah. Nice throw. I'm okay. Wow. I think I let it sit on the stove as well. No, man, it's perfect. It's perfect.
This is perfect.
It's perfect.
Yep.
Actually, I think I let it sit for too long.
We'll edit that bit out.
Oh, wait. God, didn't I? What?
Look at that. Look at that. We'll fast forward this bit. It's cool. It's cool.
Yeah.
Lovely.
What is that, egg?
It's like extra protein.